Good morning, students. Class 6 Science and Chapter 5 Separation of Substances. And today's our topic separation of insoluble solids from liquid. First topic, sedimentation. Sedimentation allows the separation of undissolved solid particles from the liquid. If you have taken a sand, is added to the beaker containing water and left undisturbed for some time, sand being heavier than water settles at the bottom of the beaker. This undissolved part which settles at the bottom of the liquid is called sediment. So you have seen the diagram, mixture of sand and water. It is stirred by the spoon and left for some times. You have seen sand particles settle down the bottom of jar, and this is called sediment and process is called sedimentation. Decantation. To decant means gradually pour off water from one container to another without disturbing the sediment. You have seen same process like a sedimentation. Water and sand which are dissolved with each other, and we have known this sand particle not dissolved in water and without disturbing the upper part of water to separate in the another container, and this process is called decantation. Next topic, filtration. Filtration is used to separate insoluble particles from liquid using a porous device is called filter. You have seen the porous candle and it is the pure water. You have seen in your home you have seen the RO, which our work is reverse osmosis. A filtering device can be fine piece of cloth that is used to filter water or a special paper used to filter liquids in a laboratory. The size of the pores on a filter depends on the size of the solid that is to be separated. The net that filter air in air cooler is fine plastic mesh, whereas a metal strainer used to filter tea has a large pores. Did you know? Duck filter water and separate food particles from it with the help of their beaks. The mouth of whale too performs a similar function. So you have seen a one activity. Take two beaker A and B, mix with sand and water in a beaker A, mix salt and water beaker B, filter both mixtures separating by using filter paper or piece of newspaper. So you have known this, water and sand, they have not dissolved with each other, but salt and water dissolve with each other because water have containing intercellular space and salt which are dissolved inside the water. So you have seen which container has water soluble substance. So this is B container, in which case you have not able to separate with his has been mixed. This salt and water Does filtration separate substance dissolved in water? Yes, you have known this waste substances are dissolved in water. It is not filter, but waste substances are not dissolved in water, like sand, clay. They have filtered. Thank you, student.